Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change the size of your dock on your Mac. There are two easy ways to do this, so let's get started. First, we'll use the system settings. Go to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, look for Desktop and Dock on the left-hand side menu and click it. This will bring up the dock settings. Now, find the size option. You'll see a slider. Simply drag the slider to the left to make the dock smaller, or to the right to make it larger. Play around with it until you find the size you like. Once you're happy with the size, you can close System Settings and start using your newly sized dock. Okay, so that's one way. The second method involves using the dock itself. Move your mouse to the right-hand side of the dock until you see a small vertical line. Hover your cursor over the line, and you should see it change into a double-headed arrow. Now, press and hold down the mouse button on that line. While holding it down, move your mouse cursor upwards to increase the size of the dock, or downwards to decrease it. Once you're satisfied with the new size, just release the mouse button and you're done. You can now use your resized dock as usual. And that's it. Two simple ways to change the size of your dock on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.